how you can log in into your Flybuys account. Now, before we start, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new videos. Now, let's get started. So, the first thing is you'll want to just open up a web browser, and after you do so, just search for Flybuys login. Now, after you do that, you will see the sign in option right here. Just tap on it. So after you've opened up Flybuys login site, just type in your email right here. Just type in your email. And after you do that, type in your password. So after you do that, you can tap on remember me or not. If you have forgotten your password, you can just reset it from right here. Or if you don't have an account, you can sign up from here. So if you already have an account, just type in your email and your password and hit sign in, and you'll have logged in into your Flybuys account. And it's that simple, guys. That is all for the video too. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.